This is freeze-dried crepe batter. I rehydrate it. And because evil skewers need a little bit of egg white, I broke open one egg and separated it. And I'm using one egg white and whipping it to a peak and then folding it in very gently to the crepe batter, making my own evil skewer batter. And I'm also adding like a 1/16 of baking powder because crepe batter doesn't have any leavening in it. I'm using pear butter and my freeze-dried mascarpone and yogurt. We call it our secret sauce. We use it for crepes and fruit and sometimes pancakes. But I'm going to use it, I'm mixing it with the jam without rehydrating it. Just putting it in dry to the pear butter. And it's going to be the center of the evil skewers. I believe evil skewers are Danish, or yeah, I think they're Danish. Kind of like a pancake filled. You put the bottom part on, put the jam in the center. You can make savory ones or sweet ones. You can put anything in the middle. Let them cook on one side. And I use popsicle sticks to turn them over. Just let them get polished. And I whip some cream. You can sprinkle your powdered sugar if you want. I whip cream and use them as a garnish. Use it as a garnish. And of course, they're really good when you eat them warm. There's the middle. Kind of like a donut, but not cooked in grease. There you go. Evil skewers for camping. You can also use pancake mix.